How to make rock candy. 2 cups, 400 grams, granulated sugar. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, water. Food coloring, optional. Flavoring extract, optional. Clean glass jar or glass. Wooden skewers or string. Clothespins. Instructions. Prepare the skewers. If you're using wooden skewers, cut them to fit the height of your glass jar. Alternatively, you can use strings, such as cotton kitchen twine. Tie one end of the string to a wooden skewer or pencil, leaving the other end long enough to hang into the jar without touching the bottom. Prepare the sugar syrup. In a saucepan, heat the water until it starts to simmer. Gradually add the granulated sugar, stirring continuously until it dissolves completely. If you want colored or flavored rock candy, add a few drops of food coloring and or flavoring extract to the mixture and stir well. Cool the syrup. Allow the sugar syrup to cool slightly before carefully pouring it into your clean glass jar. Be cautious as the syrup will be hot. Attach the skewers. Dip the skewers or strings into the sugar syrup, then roll them in granulated sugar. This will provide a base for the sugar crystals to form. Use clothespins to clip the skewers or strings to the rim of the jar, ensuring that they are suspended in the syrup without touching the bottom or sides of the jar. Wait for crystals to form. Place the jar in a cool, undisturbed location where it won't be disturbed. Over the next few days to a week, sugar crystals will gradually form on the skewers or strings. You can watch the progress as the crystals grow. Remove the candy. Once the crystals have reached your desired size, carefully remove the skewers or strings from the jar. Let any excess syrup drip off, and allow the rock candy to air dry for a little while before enjoying. Remember, the size and quality of your rock candy will depend on factors like the temperature and humidity of your environment. Experiment with different colors and flavors to customize your rock candy creations.